so many things zvikuya in our parts. But no matter the noises out there, and the enemy looking for someone. This is the word that they use. And looking for someone to devour, not to eat, but to devour. When someone devours you, at least but can an enemy through the internet, through my social challenges, through my social networks, through my TV, through whatever, it is coming to devour.
Yes.
Not to eat you, because to eat you meaning that you're very friendly. Hallelujah. Crash. Yes. Therefore, let this not be a waste of time. From today, mangwana, Sunday, ngaiwe nguwa yako yekuita commune nekuteerera Mwari kutaura kwawo. Tinzwa munhu wega achitaura kuti inini Mwari wati. Haikona kutaurwa nemumwe munhu. Iwe taura nawo utaura kuti inini Mwari vanditi. Tirekedze kuita zvepa next door. Ndambotaura kuti haikona kuteerera kuti neighbor yati kudii. Maneighbor ari kurasisa mufungi. Hallelujah. Maneighbor ari kudaidzira vanhu mapurisa. Hallelujah. Ndiri kuita zvangu pati pamba pangu within the law. Hapana wanda tuga, hapana wanda pokotera mapurisa awe anoko. Tanzwa for my neighbor. You are abusing this, you are abusing that time. And even knows what noise pollution. And after 11, noise pollution idea. Ipo pana papane mtemo, ilukutaura about noise. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Now, my neighbors, ugadako hatenzera unogona kurasika. Not all of them are bad. But pane nguva yekuti siyana na neighbor. Those one who just tell you, Ngomira, tell yourself. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Amen. Dr. Namari, with this opportunity at Apua, just see Ranguaino, Kunam Fundis, and I want to put this service, Maoko Amari, we talk to each and everyone. I want something to gain out of this. Amazon, my shift channel words. Marriage that knows a kunogo, and this is the Tabana. Imagine you put it kind of, then what's wrong? That's one star to know, and who knows a plotting and I think a board. You got a second, because I take $200 time year. And the other is around 7,000. Saga, imagine Bushangwa. And don't put 7 pounds as Maria Mangama. Imagine, and when it's put to good use, you can I walk to a motor runs? Hallelujah.
Amen.